sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Caraneta, at si Martin Romales. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes. Huwag ka mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya.
So may we request the honorable endorser to confirm if that is the same video that she is referring to?
Yes, Madam Chair.
All right, so that is for the record. We showed the video for the guidance of the justice members in the determination of sufficiency in substance. Are the members who wish to comment